guys, hello mga idol. Andito naman yung lingkod Jorda Wilson on behalf of my filter Luis. This is Julie and Jorda Vlogs. So today's vlog guys, magluluto po tayo ng isang masarap na recipe. So ayan, ground beef with purslane. So today I distribute this vegetable to Mexican friends, and they like this because they cook this in Mexico and they call this verdolagas. Verdolagas is a purslane, so they cook this with carnitas. Carnitas is a meat. Yeah, so this is already washed, but I don't know, there's something dry there. This is from the leaf. Okay, we'll be needing ground beef, chili, bell pepper, and red bell pepper, spicy one, and that's the bell pepper, the one that's not spicy. We need tomato, nor cubes, beef cubes, that is black pepper, and onion. So let's start cooking. So yan sa ating pong wok. Ilagay po natin yung ating ground beef. Pulutin ko na. Ayan. So ayan guys, ito po ay pagkain ng baboy din sa Pinas, pero hindi natin alam na ang benefits nito is marami. Kaya pag-aralan nyo ng lutuin ito guys din sa Pinas. Ito po yung purslane. I-search nyo lang sa YouTube. So ayan po, ground beef, ground pork pwede rin kasi nakita ko yung mga pagkain ng mga Mexican. Kaya talagang kinakain nila yan. Okay guys, naglagay ako ng konting tubig, tapos tatakpan natin. Antayin lang po natin kumulo yan para maghiwa-hiwalay dahil frozen po siya. So now it's ready to put the onion and tomato. Sako lang po siya sa onion at saka kamatis na merong red pepper at saka red chili, yung spicy. Siyempre, meron siyang more cubes na beef cubes kasi beef yung linagay ko. And our paminta and purslane. Ayan na po guys, napakasarap. Tinikman ko na siya. Oh my God, baka araw-arawin ko na tong lutuin. Oh, try nyo na. Nadadaanan nyo lang yan sa mga tambak-tambak. Huwag nyo aapakan o iluto nyo na. Sawagan nyo ng beef. Nakakain ng baboy, nakakain din ng tao, pero lang feeds. Ayan. Sarap. Oh my God. Nakadiscover ako man ng tinakaing imas nga makano. Padasal nyo lang ito guys. Ang sarap pala. Buti lang nanonood ako ng YouTube kasi sinesearch ko talaga yung halaman na to. Kasi marami ako sa backyard. Kaya pala. Kanina, binigyan ko yung mga friends ko sa work. Nag-harvest ako at gustong-gusto nila kasi ang tawag nila dito sa ngalog na to, itong first lane na to is verdolagas. Verdolagas daw. So, tikman natin. Ang sarap. Pudot. Hindi mas gayam. Oh my gosh. Hindi na siya maasim kasi tinalo siya ng kamatis. So, bye. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, let's try the verdolagas recipe. My own recipe. So this is the vegetable purslane that I harvested in my backyard that I'm learning to eat because I'm just new with this vegetable weed. They call these weeds in the US. So in Philippines, this is a food of pigs. Okay, so let's try. It's so yummy. So I put ground beef on it with lots of cheese. Oh my goodness. It's so good.
You eating already?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the hamburger and the weed.
The weed. It's no weed for me. It's vegetable.
Leafy green veggies. And what, I got a carrot in there, I see you. Oh, pepper, red pepper.
Red pepper, spicy one, and bell pepper.
And the hamburger, you mix it with hamburger, is that what you do?
Mm-hmm.
Do you use all the hamburger?
I put just small.
That's okay. I'll remember tomorrow, baby. Get you some coconut milk and some peanuts.
Yep.
I want more peanuts, baby.
You should try it, huh? Very good.
You filming yourself?
Yes.
I cannot do it.
Ah, get dressed. Come on, try it.
No, I'm good, baby.
Bye. Thanks for watching.